Hello everyone, so today I will solve this question. We have to draw the output waveform for a step input for this circuit. Here we have to take the output across this capacitor C, and here R and C are in parallel, connected in series with this capacitor, and input is step input, step to Vx. First I will try to answer it intuitively, and then I will draw the waveform for this output and analyze the circuit further. So when at t is equal to 0, when it will be stepped at the stepping time, the input will be of high frequency. So at high frequency this capacitor will be short circuited, so there will be a high current across these capacitors and this capacitors. So there will be a high current in this capacitor, so a charge will be deposited across this capacitor, and they will be charged to some voltage instantly at this time is equal to 0. So after that what will happen is that like we can see that these two capacitors will be there, C and C. So we can see that the voltage across this capacitor will be V by 2. So what will happen after t is equal to 0 plus, this capacitor will it will be positive and it will be negative. So this capacitor will discharge itself through this resistor. So this capacitor will inject a current of initial current is V by 2. So this will inject a initial current of V by 2R into this capacitor, and this current will loop around, and also a current will be set up in this capacitor, and this capacitor will start charging more. So it is initially at V by 2, and the net current that will be flowing through this will charge this capacitor until the current in this circuit is 0. So when will the current in this circuit will be 0? The time at which the voltage across this capacitor and the input voltage will be equal. At that time the net current flowing through this capacitor and resistor will be 0. So the voltage across this will be constant, and the voltage will not increase further. And at that time what will happen? There will be no current flowing through this resistor, so 0 current will be here. So 0 voltage across this resistor, and also 0 voltage across this resistor. So now I will try to draw the waveform for this circuit. So this we can see that we have a single resistor only and two capacitors are there. So if we sort our input source, like if we sort our input signal, then it will be this resistor and these two capacitors will be in parallel. So the net capacitance after opening this resistor will be C by these two are in parallel, so it will be 2C. So C equivalent will be 2C, and we have a resistance is equal to R. So our time constant will be 2RC. Also this there is only one resistor and two capacitors are there. So if there is in any circuit there is only one resistor and many capacitors, and one capacitor and many resistors, then that circuit will be of first order circuit, or maybe it can be lower, but it will definitely be a first order, it will not be more than that. So for any first order circuit, what we need is to draw the output waveform is that a voltage at the 0, voltage at infinity, and time constant. So we have already calculated our time constant as 2RC, and we need to calculate V0 and V infinity. Also we have calculated this V0 across this capacitor, here V by 2, it is V0 is V by 2, and V infinity we see that when there is no current through this circuit, and then at that time this voltage will be equal to this voltage. So this voltage will come to Vx. Also this is Vx and this is Vx. So we can now draw the output waveform. So output waveform will start from this Vx by 2. So let here the Vx by 2, and here it is Vx. So it will charge up to Vx, and its time constant is 2RC. This is VO and this is T. So this is our required output waveform. Also, if you want to plot the voltage across this capacitor, then we can also plot voltage across this capacitor. Initially the voltage across this capacitor, suppose it is plus minus V1. So initially across this capacitor the voltage is V by 2, because V by 2 is here, so V by 2 will be here, Vx by 2 I mean so here. So Vx by 2 will be here. At steady state condition the voltage across this capacitor will be 0, so Vx by 2 it will start and it will go to 0. So its time constant also will be 2RC. So this is VO and this is, we can say, V1. So this was the circuit. Now let me see if there is any doubt or anything. I will come with another question next time. Thank you.